Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use filters in Google Sheets step by step. Filters are very useful when you want to quickly sort, view, or find specific data in a large spreadsheet without changing the original data. So let's get started. First, open your Google Sheets file in your browser. Make sure you have a data set ready that you want to filter. Now, click and drag to select the range of your data, including the column headers. If your sheet has a header row, make sure it is included in the selection. Next, go to the top menu and click on Data. From the drop-down menu, click on Create a Filter. You will notice small filter icons appear in each column header. Now, click on the filter icon in any column you want to filter. A menu will appear with different options. If it's a text column, you can filter by values, such as selecting or unselecting specific items. If it's a number column, you can filter by conditions, like greater than, less than, or between certain values. If it's a date column, you can filter by time periods, such as today, this week, or a custom range. Select the condition or values you want, and Google Sheets will automatically update the view to show only the matching data. You can apply filters on multiple columns at the same time to narrow down your results even more. If you want to clear a filter from a column, click the filter icon again and select Clear. To remove all filters completely, go back to the Data menu and click Remove Filter. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use filters in Google Sheets to organize and analyze your data more efficiently. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tips and productivity tutorials. See you in the next one.